If you ask yourself, what should I do? Scale, delegate, leverage? What is the difference between these three possible ways how I can achieve higher income and bigger impact? Then you are here in the right place, because I would like to give you more clarity on what is behind the scene of these three different ways and which one is right for you now. Leverage and passive income, a paradise for expert business owners. So if you think about paradise, probably you think about the beach and palms, and then in this case, I live in a paradise. And I don't like to see on the social media or the images like you are on the beach with your laptop. Who would like that? I would not like to be on the beach with a laptop. I would like to be there walking with my dog, having a free time. This video is also about this, how you can have more time, how you can have more income and more time at the same time. And it's possible. It's possible through leverage or scaling or delegating. Which one is best for you? So let's dive in. First of all, there are two types of income for us expert business owners. One is active, which means that you are paid when you are working. And another is passive. It means that you did some work upfront, and then after, once done, you are paid for it all the time. You don't need to do anything for it anymore. And think about, for example, book. You had to write the book or let somebody write the book, and then you are enjoying the income from selling the book or the course. It's the same principle. When we are thinking about active and passive income, many people thought that when it's active, when you need to work, then it's not good and I want to have a passive income. But the truth is that even if you are actively working, and that's actually what most of my clients want, because they are expert, and that's also the same for me for this time of being. I want to work in my business, and you can work in a smart way, in a leveraged way. Leverage means that you are leveraging either your time, so you can work at the same time with more clients. It still means that these clients have access to you, and yes, it's still possible. This is one way. Or another way is you can leverage your pricing, and you shouldn't really charge per hour training or assignment. You should charge per transformation, and in this case, it can bring you a lot of money in a shorter period of time. And I have seen 100,000 offers sold for 1 month's work, or 250,000 offers for something which didn't bring more than working 2 hours per week for this expert. So there is no limit in this. In the previous model, when you would be paid for hour or assignment, training or project, there is always a limit. Well, now in this leveraged form, there is no really limit. It depends on your expertise, on your niche, how much you can charge. And it goes without saying that the more niche down you are and the higher expertise, then more you can charge. What about scaling and delegating? Delegating, it's easy, right? So it's you, the humans. It was possible even before. But nowadays, thanks to platforms, connection, technology, we can also scale. We don't need humans. We can, and it can be a combination, but we can use the technology and these different platforms and to serve unlimited number of clients. How is it with the book, with the course? There is no more work for you if you have 1,000 clients who have purchased this digital product, or if it's 10,000, there is no difference. Scaling is not working so well for the high priced product. For the lower priced product, when you would just put one part of your expertise, or when, for example, your expertise is not so high, and then it's more like how to, and you want to help many people, then scaling is a perfect solution. On the other hand, when your expertise is really big and you have acquired it in many years, and it's not so easy to find somebody else who can do the same job and delegate or to put it in course, then you want to go for the leverage. So this would be my advice how to proceed. And how to do that, I would first really brainstorm about what role in your business you want to play. Do you want to work more in delivery or more in marketing, or not work at all? Because with scaling and delegating, you are actually working more in marketing, or by delegating also like human resource director. So if you want to be more like CEO who is delegating more, then it would be a perfect way when you will delegate. And if you want to work in marketing because you want to serve a lot of people, then scaling is perfect. When you already decide on your role, then you can decide also on your model. But just don't let the how, for example, how could I leverage my time so that I serve so many clients at the same time? If you don't know, then don't let that prevent you, because it has been already done. And you should more look like who has already done it, or who can help me with that. So who is more important than how.